going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. I would want to show you guys something that I discovered, and it's a tool that uses AI to create music videos, or like just videos from whatsoever sound you give it. So it tries to find the best possible combinations and just provides that video. This tool is called Noisee. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but then it's like noise, but then with an E at like .ai. Now this is still not fully like out there right now, but it's accessible via Discord, where you can just try it out the same way people try stable mid journey. And on their website, they have like some like sample videos, just like Sora AI does. And it's something that we can also try it ourselves. When you go to the Discord channel, you're going to see so many real-time videos that people are creating, and it's just so fun to be part of something like that. So if everyone is doing it, why not? Why don't we try too? Right? So now the best part about this is it accepts Suno AI sounds. You can generate a sound from Suno AI and then just add the link. You don't really need to even download the MP3 file and upload it there. All you need to do is just add the link. It fetches the file and then continues from there. So it supports Suno, it supports YouTube, it supports other sound sound platforms as well. So to get started, all you need to do is go to Noisee AI, noisee.ai, and then you can either just join the Discord from here, or you can click on create video. Clicking on create video opens up a Discord window where you can log in, as I have already logged in here. Now what we want to do is to make sense out of this, and I am trying to just create a story out of this and use it to showcase how this works. I came to ChatGPT and just instructed it to create the description of a sound that has some romantic vibes in it, and I limited the number of characters, so ChatGPT shouldn't just go out there and keep writing. And then I also gave it a little description of how I want the story to be. Now ChatGPT, as usual, came back with this, and this apparently is still long, so I had to shorten both prompts to come up with this. Now I used the soundtrack description here in Suno. If by the way you haven't watched my video on Suno AI, just I'm gonna just attach it to the description below, or it's just going to be one of those things that you see popping up on the screen right now. So now, after putting the description here, we don't really need the voicing. So since we don't need the voicing, I just need an instrumental that will go with the flow. So I chose the instrumental option and created, and it gave me this too. It even named the sound. I don't know where it came up with Ghosts of Our Past, but well, that still works. So this is the first one. And then this is the second one. All right, now I don't suppose that Noisee can create long videos just yet. So for that reason, I think shortening the prompt for the visuals also makes sense, even though I think we're going to try with this first longer one. I don't know how many characters, so let's see. The first one is 285 characters, just slightly below 50 words, and then the second one is less than it. So coming to Noisee, just like some of those tools that we've used before, to gain access to like the tools, all you need to do is press the / on your keyboard, and you see anything that you have to access or you can access here. So to be able to use Suno's link, we have to choose the imagine option, and then it asks you for a URL. And in this case, we're going to just choose any of these soundtracks, and this is what I want to do. You can either just say copy song link here, or you can come to this place and share, then copy link. That's a longer way of doing it, but all right. So I think I'm just going to go with this first one and paste it here, then enter. Now it's going to ask for a description of the visuals. This is going to take up to like 1,000 characters, I think. Is this 1,000 characters or 1,000 words? But I don't think it's 1,000 words. That would be too crazy. But then in that case, it means we can put in the longer description for the visuals. And let's see what this comes up with. All right, so it's 1,000 characters, and it means we can even still add more. And I don't know, just test it on your own with something longer to see if it produces a longer video. Here we choose the aspect ratio, and 1:1 is obviously a square, so it's the first number is the height, is the width, and the second number is height. So this is a vertical video, this is a horizontal video, like a landscape video, this is portrait, and I would go with landscape, which is the default, and submit. So just like those other tools, it accepts your input and like just runs for some time and brings out that output that you so want to see. And our link is obviously like correct, and that's why it brought out this. We can even preview the song. Now I'm gonna pause the video and come back when it's done. All right, so it took exactly 5 minutes for this to process, and for that reason, I don't know if you're expecting a fast result, please don't. But then I haven't played this yet. I want us to play it together, but I don't think there should be any problem. Okay. One of the issues with AI, this hasn't done what I wanted it to do. And it's good that I did this real time, but then it's one of those things that comes up with video generators using AI. As long as there are hands or fingers involved, as long as there is a leg movement involved, don't expect perfection. I mean, it's not just that, but those are the ones that AI is still trying to figure out how to get those straight. I mean, even for the image generation, you still have to do some enhancements and all that before you could fix those parts. So I'm sure this will get fixed with time. That's why this is still here for people to test it out. But then let me just go ahead and play the one I generated earlier on using a different prompt. All right, notice the legs. All right. So this is one of the downsides, like I mentioned, when it has to do. I don't know what this guy is doing there, but this was what I was expecting from the generation I did earlier on. So sometimes it's a hit and miss. You could get it right the first time, and you could probably just get it completely wrong, like several attempts. So it's just one of those things that happens. But it's a good thing that this exists, because it starts by existing, then from there the modifications and updates will keep coming to make sure it's at least usable. So I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think? Do you see yourself using this? Do you think this is a welcome development? I mean, just merging two different AI tools to come up with one of those imaginations. Just visualize what you've been imagining. I don't know. To me, it's cool, and I still don't see those things as imperfections at the moment until the final release is out. So just let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.